is our first annual client advisory board. We built Alvys for you. And this is one of the most important meetings I think we can have so we can get your feedback and also show you what the roadmap and the future of Alvys is.
These are incredible times, and we are building with it. We're at the cutting edge of these things, and we have some very exciting things we're going to demo for you tomorrow.
Alvys is leading the charge when it comes to the pursuit of technology and how quickly to adapt in an ever-changing market.
AI is transforming the world. How do we build the guardrails and the foundations for our customers to benefit from these evolving capabilities, but still feel confident that they are in control of their own destiny and their own businesses?
We're really excited to see the roadmap, first of all, to see what Alvys is planning for the future, and also excited to give some new ideas to Alvys to help us scale even more.
You guys are some of the first customers to see some of this. We want to get some early feedback from a lot of you guys about, how we're thinking about some of these AI use cases.
We are different, we do things differently, but at the end of the day, we're delivering freight, we're hiring truck drivers, we want to service our customers the best way that we can, and we need tools and resources to do that.
I'm just so humbled to be surrounded by so many smart people, but most importantly, if it wouldn't be for you, we would never be able to be where we are today.